Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create custom models just like the ones we have here. It took a while to figure out for me, but today I am going to be showing you how to do this because I'm awesome. Anyway, I have a custom, I have the template folder in the description for you to download so that you can follow along with this tutorial. Anyway, let's get into it. So first thing you want to do is you want to download blockbench and the template I gave you. Once you got those, you want to go to your desktop and then open blockbench just like that. And I'm just going to be using a model. Oh my days. Guess I'm not going to be using the model I already had. We're going to be making one on screen. Today I'm going to be making a hot dog. A dog. And if you're making something with a space in between it, make sure to do an underscore instead of a space. It's just how it works. I don't control it. Anyway, push create model, and now we are in the editor. I'm not really going to be going through how to create models, but I'm just going to be creating one on screen anyway. So, first I'm going to be making a group. I'm going to name it fun, and add another group, and name it to, we're going to do dog, cause I can, and then open bun, make a cube, and go like this, make the cube, blah blah blah, boom. And like that, I think. Yeah, it's good enough. And just gonna duplicate this. Actually, yeah. And make the thing smaller. Duplicate again. Bring that over here. Make these shorter. Yep, looks perfect. And it's actually good not to have them overlaying each other. But that one the hard way. Yeah. Anyway, have that. Now we're gonna start with the dog part. Add a cube. Gonna bring it over here. Bring this like that. Oh, like that. And then it's pretty sure it's like they have them overhanging for some reason. I think I'm gonna actually have these one higher. So this can also be one high. I think that's good enough. And then just make this. How long is this one? 3 blocks. Okay. And 3. Perfect. We have a model. Very simple. Now you just you can close the groups and go Control A. Create texture. I'm going to be doing 32x so that I can do it. Pardon me. Anyway, I'm going to go hot dog. Confirm. Now just going to go to paint. And we'll just use this. Oh no, that's like a mustard color. What about this one? Yep, this is definitely good enough. You'll probably spend longer on your, model. I'm just kind of rushing it because I don't care that much. If I was making a real model, then I probably would make it look really good. Which I can actually show you some custom ones I've made before. Well, you saw some in the intro, but I made, for example, some Squid Game keys, the knife, It didn't look exactly sure accurate, but it looked good enough, so good enough for me. And then just paint all of that. Go like this. Paint, paint, paint. And I also need I'll just use a paint bucket, so yeah. Perfect, looks great. We're gonna add some, no, Control Z, and go back to the normal paintbrush. I'm just gonna add some like this, some more red, there's some over here, some down there, over here, right here. Okay, this looks like a great hot dog. Looks terrible. Anyway, go to display, and this is how you're gonna display it. If you want your like actual Minecraft character here, so you can see exactly what it looks like with your character, you can go to preview at the top, and it's not showing on my thing, but there's like a thing up here, like past the screen, and it says preview just under display, and then you click Minecraft skin, username, and then put in your username, and there you go. But yeah, that's a trick I learned not too long ago, like a week ago. So yeah, we have that. That's gonna be in inventory, and some people actually like to go side on. So yeah, I guess so. Great, we have our hot dog done, completed. Now, what you want to do is you go to the top. Actually, I'm gonna quickly just change my screen so you can see my whole screen, so it's easier to follow. Okay, I have made my screen easier to see like what's going on, and we're gonna click File at the top, Export block / item model, and then go to you'll probably have desktop over here, but I'm just going to go and search desktop. Of course, hold on 1 second. Okay, yeah, in desktop again, and you just want to find the thing. So mine was called like custom items, and then go assets, Minecraft, models, item, and then we're gonna have to rename a couple of stuff, but yeah, and then go to where it says normal name, and then put in your custom model and go save. Then we actually should go check. So you open this, assets, Minecraft, models, item, name, hot dog Jason. Perfect. But we're going to rename this normal name to be whatever you like, whatever you're renaming to be. So I'm doing steak, but it's actually called cooked _ beef. Fun fact, I actually was just making this video just before, but I messed up a lot of times, so I'm redoing it. So yeah, and we're actually going to go into each thing, so go into items and rename this to also be whatever thing is. So mine's cooked beef, not 2 F's, figure that out the hard way, 2 E's. And also textures, item, and cooked _ beef. Okay. So what happened to me a lot when I was making my models is I'd go into models, item, this hot dog, and I'll open with a notepad thing. So I do code.exe, but you use whatever you want. And while this opens, yeah, okay. So see here where it says block / hot dog. We don't want it to say that. We want it to say item / cooked _ beef / hot dog, or whatever your thing is. So I'm doing that again. Item / cooked _ beef / hot dog. And then it should be good. And you go file and save. Perfect. Now we're gonna go back to blockbench and we're gonna go here and click this. Desktop, custom items, open that. Assets, Minecraft, textures, item, cooked beef, and put that there. Perfect. Now we're done with blockbench, we can close it. And now in here we're gonna click items and then cooked beef and right click it and open it with like some text document, so like notepad or something, and open it like this. Once it opens, you'll see tons of things here. First we're gonna come down and you're gonna see custom name next to when, and you're gonna put in whatever you want your thing to be. So I'm just gonna do hot dog. This can have capitals, normal spaces. It doesn't have to have like any underscores or anything. The custom names you see over here, you don't have to do those. I actually don't even know what they're for, but yeah. Now over here you'll see normal name, and everywhere it says normal name you're gonna just rename that to whatever your main model is gonna be. So I'm doing cooked _ beef. I'm just gonna copy that and paste and paste. And where it says custom name, just put your like JSON file, so just hot dog for me, and go file, save, and exit out of that. And now I think we are done. I'm pretty sure. So we just exit this, and we're gonna go Windows R and go %app data %, okay, and go .minecraft, resource packs, and we're just gonna drag in custom items to here. Perfect. Now we go back to Minecraft, options, resource packs, and it should be here. And then we just put that there, yes, and go done. And now, if we get, oh, you already have an anvil, so if we go steak, grab that, bring the steak over to this anvil, and rename it to hot dog. We will have a hot dog. And this is all great, you know, we have our custom model, perfect, and it works, and everything. But what if you want to have your custom model in the game without having to get the thing, go to an anvil, rename it, and all that? Well, I have the solution. What you want to do is you want to go options, resource packs, open pack folder, and you'll see your thing, so custom items, open that, go assets, Minecraft, delete the items folder, models, item, and then just go into cooked beef or whatever your thing is, and copy this, Control C, Control V, and just delete that. And also rename this to be whatever your thing is, so cooked _ beef. And then go out of that and back to the Minecraft folder, textures, item, and this is actually still fine. Everything in here is still okay. Now we just exit out of this, go back to Minecraft, boom boom, and even if we get rid of this and go F3T, which reloads Minecraft textures, and we search up steak, we have our hot dog. So I hope this video helped you guys, and please leave a like, subscribe, And comment down below if you want to, if you need help as well. And hope you enjoyed this video. So bye.